This is like super adorable. It's super affordable. If you want to know how I did this, keep watching. That's all I have to say. Bye.
Bitch, oh, Papa, you pop. Bitch, oh, Papa, whoever. You know who pop the most shit. People shit not together. You the big cardio freak.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you must Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're more than welcome. Welcome to my channel, and please support and click the subscribe button and be part of the family. I reached my halfway mark of subscribers. Like I've went up and above 500 subscribers because of y'all. So I'm halfway to 1,000 subscribers. I'm halfway to 1,000 subscribers. Like, I know I've been gone for like a month or something. Academically, I've just been like indoors trying to like gather my marks and stuff. Socially, nakhona nje futhi angikho right, guys. I haven't been spending time with like my people, like my friends and my family. Jolarikukali, I don't know, man. Like it's just been so, yeah, ne. Angikho right, guys, in almost every aspect of my life, but ngizwa right. So anyway, guys, today I'm doing a hair tutorial. I'm doing this high ponytail, this high crisscross ponytail, you know, crisscross high ponytail thing. It was my first time trying it out. To be honest, it didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to turn out, but the show gotta keep on going, you know what I mean? So I am a little bit sad, you know, but at least this side came out a lot better than what this side came out as and stuff. So yeah, man, this is like super adorable. It's super affordable. This ponytail, this DIY drawstring ponytail, we're just using a ganondo, aka a ponytail, or igata, or whatever the hell you guys call it, and just extensions. And if you want to be extra like I am, you add you some accessories, you know what I mean? Give it a like, a thumbs up. Please comment down below, please comment down below and tell me how you feel about this hairstyle. Let me know if you want to try it. If you want to know how I did this, keep watching. That's all I have to say. Bye. Okay, yo, so if you've been watching my tutorials for some time, you'll know that that bonnet cap is always important for me, and the braids that I sleep with every single night. So I'm gonna take those out and have my natural hair, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna section my hair. And I'll cut the process for you guys. As you can see, it's not really perfect, but it's just, yeah, it's the way that I want it to be. Like, it doesn't have to be accurate. So after that, I'm going to take my molding gel. I'm using the Vita's Life molding gel, and I'm going to actually apply this at the back of my hair. Right now I'm just using a brush to like just brush my hair first before applying the gel. As you can see, guys, like when I apply the gel, like my hair just literally like it just flattens, you know what I mean? And I do have natural 4C hair, never been stretched out, so like this gel is actually really nice. I use my brush just to like even out the gel that I've applied, and then I'll take my hair tie and I will obviously tie my hair with it. Once that is done, I will go back to the first part that I tied up, and I'm going to actually section the middle part of my hair. I will braid it out. I'll make like one cornrow, and right now I'm just using gel to flatten the sides so that I exclude it from the small little piece that I'm gonna braid, you know, so that the other hair doesn't interfere. In addition to that, I will take other 2 hair ties and just like tie the hair on the sides, you know, away so that it doesn't interfere with the small little piece that I left out. From that point onwards, I am going to attempt to do 1 cornrow because I'm not good, guys. I don't necessarily know how to actually do cornrows, so this is just literally an attempt. I will section out my hair just randomly, like there's no specific way that I sectioned out my hair. It was just done out of random. Once I'm satisfied with the partition that I did make, I will take a hair tie and just tie away the hair that I won't be further on sectioning, if that makes sense. Yeah, again, I'm just partitioning my hair in random sections, like there's no specific order. As you can see, it's like small little triangles, and as the video goes on, you'll see that I just did whatever. And I will apply gel to the section piece, and then I'll take a rubber band and I'll tie up my hair with that. I couldn't find the video that I made showing you guys the rubber bands, but they're inexpensive. They cost me about 10 rand a packet, so you can get that at any local retail shop or pharmacy. I will continue sectioning my hair with the same procedure. Section it out, apply a bit of gel, and then tie it with a rubber band. Once I've sectioned, gelled down, and used rubber bands to tie up my desired partitions, I'm going to now cross over the small partitions that I made. It's literally done at random. Anything that makes a crisscross, I tie it together. I use those 2 pieces to tie it together. I really suck at explaining this, but it's literally taking one section and crossing it over with another, then using another rubber band to tie it up. But I will repeat this process again so that you guys can see throughout this part of the video. I am done attempting to cross over the small sections. I did the same procedure to the other side, but it didn't turn out so well, but it's okay, guys. I made use of another pony tie to tie up the back section with the small section that I had done in the front, so that it's one thing. After that, I did take my Afrotex flower wave extension that cost me about 80 rand in town, and I went and I just separated the hair to have like a fuller look for the ponytail. So basically that's that. I took a hair tie, and this is kind of tricky to explain. So I took a piece of the hair, put it underneath the ponytail, and made like a knot, you know, onto the actual ponytail, like so. So I will repeat this again. So I took a small piece of the hair underneath the hair tie, and I literally made a loop and then pulled both sides of the hair to form a knot. Literally, that's it. And I did this with all the hair that was in the pack, and we have our DIY drawstring ponytail. I went and I tied up the ponytail onto the small bun and literally flipped it over like that, just like that. And I took some hairpins that I'm going to put behind the hair just to secure the ponytail. and sort of like attach it with my natural hair so that it doesn't keep on like moving around. Once I felt that my hair was nice and secured, I went and accessorized my hair, darling. I took this arm bracelet that will cost me about 30 bucks and I applied it on top of my hair. It also actually helps with securing the ponytail itself. After that, I took me some accessories that I also got in town. I think in total everything was like 15 rand if I'm not mistaken. And I literally just took the rings and cuffed them onto the cornrow that I had made earlier on. I then took the gold cuffs that were in that small packet that I showed you guys, and I just randomly just cuffed them onto each piece that that had a rubber band, like a black rubber band. I hid the black rubber bands with a cuff, and I lost some of my cuffs, so I wasn't able to actually apply it to every single one of them. But then it is what it is. So I am basically done, and I'm gonna do my edges right now, and I'm gonna apply my Vita's Life gel, and I'm just gonna do my edges. Once I'm done actually sculpting my edges, I like taking my Revlon Flakes gel and apply it on top of the edges just to keep them secure and nice throughout the whole day. So basically I am done. I am looking banging. I'm looking schmanging, girl. Like I don't even know at this point. But then guys, I hope this tutorial was easy. I hope it was informative, and hope you guys actually try this out. It was great talking to you guys again, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.